Hello, I'm back. Welcome to Mylakbay Food and Travel, the channel all about exploring different cultures through their food. Join me on this quest because I would like to bring you along and I want to try different foods from different cultures. I've been to over 40 countries, so I do know a little bit about food from my own experiences. I've tried food from Asia, I've tried food from South America, I've tried food from obviously Europe because you can tell from my accent I'm British. And I've been to all different parts of the world and I want to try different foods with you. If you've seen my channel, you've noticed that I've eaten insects in the past. I'm going to continue to try exotic food, exotic by European standards. And it's not brave, it's not controversial, it's just food from different parts of the world. And I eat this purely to try the different tastes and out of respect. Join me on this quest because I would like to share with you guys different cultures, different foods, different ideas. Maybe it's outside of your comfort zone, and I completely understand that because everyone's got their food hate or food that they feel is disgusting, but that's fine. Even me, there's a certain type of food that I will one day talk about that I won't eat. It just cannot stomach it. And that's purely a personal thing, as is whether you eat insects, whether you eat haggis, whether you eat a hamburger. It's all out of personal choice. So I hope you join me. Today's video, we are going to try something I've not tried before, but I feel like, well, why not? So this is tongue. This is from a cow, and in Asia, as I've maybe mentioned in previous videos, they eat head to tail cooking. I like this because you, as the name is, you use the whole animal. You don't just take, I don't know, the stomach or the legs as we do in Europe and then waste some of the animal. The whole animal is cooked. This particular part of the animal, it takes about 4 hours to cook. Slow cooking, time consuming, and delicious. Join me. This is the tongue. It's been in a boiling pot of water for about 3.5 hours. It's nearly done, and as you can see, it's starting to change colour and texture. After 3.5 hours, it's now been taken out of the oven and the pots, and now it's going to rest for a bit, and then it's going to be sliced up. Going to add some sauce and it'll be ready to eat. So I'll see you in a bit, guys. It's been cooked. I'm now slicing through it slowly, trying to get it as even as possible. It's more like the texture of steak now. I suppose that makes sense because it's cow tongue, but it's a different style and texture to the uncooked tongue. It's a lot more rough. This is quite a smooth texture, as you can see here, and well here it's quite smooth now. Yeah, so it should be delicious. Okay, so it's prepared, it's done, it's ready. Let's test it. I've got my iron brew. This is not piss, as some of you said in one of my last videos. It's iron brew. It comes from Scotland and it tastes delicious. If you have this in your country, I recommend you try it because it doesn't taste like any other drink that you try. So, my recommendation. Anyway, enough talking, let's eat. Tie it in. One of the things I like about this tongue is different sections of the tongue taste slightly different textures. It's got the very strong beefy smell, and it's like ham, bits of it's like steak, different textures. I don't know if you can see that in the video. I don't know if it's picking up. Maybe put the light on and then you can see. it's been well cooked, and it's got a little pinkish texture to it. Yeah, it's kind of like ham. I would say it's a cross between ham and steak. Certainly smells like steak. Bit chewy, but delicious. You see, this section was chewy. Other sections not so chewy. And it certainly got enough for 2 people. I've had a plate full, and I'm going to be really stuffed after this. So yeah, I'll get on with it. Well, I'm going to eat this, and if you like my video and you want to see more of this type of video, because I'm going to be uploading the video maybe once a week, twice a week, so yeah, enjoy. Subscribe, click like, and if you've got any recommendations for any food that you would like to see me eat, anything like, anything, foot, cow, chicken, any food that you recommend from a country that you've been to. Maybe you've travelled and you've tried an exotic food that you think is worth me trying, then please recommend it. Leave a comment below, and yeah, I'll see you in the next video.